Hello and welcome. Time for another Elden Ring tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to beat the Erdtree Avatar at the minor tree in Liurnia. And here is on the map where this particular one is. So you can see that we are in Liurnia. And now I'm going to give you a quick overview of what my character has here. So you can just pause the screen and see what my level is and the equipment and things that I am using. And I really like this Lance Talisman because it really helps to do damage on your horse. Make sure to get on your horse and get your summons. And I always like to get Tish out. Tish is my favorite summons, so I use Tish. And now we're going to just run right up to this avatar. Now, I really hate these avatars. It's probably one of my least favorite creatures to fight, especially the more powerful ones. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit its legs and ride around its legs in a circle, and just keep kind of riding around in a circle here and let my summons do some of the work for me. Kind of just evade its attacks. It's got these swing attacks, and then it has this. Oh, this little guy got me. Get out of there. And then, so just keep running around in a circle. And then go up to his legs and just hit him and run around and just kind of keep at his legs and his base. And just kind of go around in circles here. And I don't think it confuses him, but definitely keeps him occupied. Enough time to get occupied with Tish, or the summons. And then just come up close and bounce away when you need to, and then you got to look out for that attack. I'm not very good at jumping up to miss that attack, but what I normally do is I'll just run away and get up close and get him, and then if my horse is dead and I don't have any, I'll have to use a flask to get a new horse. Here we go. Come on close. Again, just kind of stay close in circles. That's kind of the best way to fight this guy. And I find that's a good technique for a lot of the creatures here in Elden Ring, is to stay at the base of their feet and just run around them in circles and attack when you need to. But there you go. Not the easiest of fights, especially for me, but that's kind of the technique that I use to fight him and all the other ones. There you go. Another easy tutorial. Hopefully it helps if you're having trouble with this guy. Thanks.